Hello there, welcome to Joobilant. Are you tired of spending hours on repetitive data entry in Vtiger CRM? Does it feel like you are doing the same thing over and over, day in and day out? What if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle? Introducing the Field Auto Fill extension for Vtiger CRM. It is a powerful productivity tool, eliminating the need for repetitive data entry seamlessly by mapping fields between different modules. Curious to see it in action? Let's see it. Here's the organization record with all its details. Now we'll create a new contact record. Here, you can notice that the fields are currently blank. With just one click using Field Auto Fill, I will auto-fill all these details into the contact fields. As you can see, all the mapped fields in the contact record are automatically filled with the organization details, no typing required. Now, let's break down how you can set this up for your own CRM. First, log in to Vtiger CRM. Go to Settings, then click on CRM Settings. Next, navigate to Other Settings and select JB Field Auto Fill. Click on Add New to create a new Field Auto Fill configuration. Here you can choose the module and the reference field based on your preference. This means we want the contact details to autofill based on the organization's details. Next, we set up field mapping. Here you can choose which fields from the primary module should autofill in the related module. You can select multiple fields here, and that should be autofill across related module records. Finally, click Save to complete the Field Auto-Fill configuration setting. Next, let's check the Field Auto-Fill in action. Go to the menu, select the Contact module, click on Add Contact. Here you can notice that the fields we mapped earlier are currently blank. Select the organization name and a prompt will ask if you want to overwrite the record. Then click Yes. Now, you can see that all the mapped fields are instantly updated with the organization's details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Vtiger tips and tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below or contact us at hello@joobilant.com. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.